and today on the channel we're going to be making onion Focaccia. So let's get straight down to the recipe. And the recipe is on screen now. So first thing that we need to do is put all our ingredients into the mixing bowl. Add in our water. And we're going to be mixing this for around about 10 minutes. And if you've got a 3-speed machine, you'll be knocking this onto 2nd speed for 9 minutes. Once your dough is mixed, what you want to be doing is giving it a good scrape down. And then we're going to be adding our oil in, and we're going to mix this over 1 minute, just to clear. And now our dough's ready. All we need to be doing is putting it straight into a bowl. Now we're going to add in our chopped up onions. Now do save a few for later. And we're going to give these a good mix in. All we need to do is make sure they're well cleared in. It does take a few minutes to get it in, but it's better doing this by hand. And now we're going to set our dough aside for around about 1 to 2 hours, give or take, so it doubles in size. Right, our dough's ready. So what we need to be doing is putting some olive oil onto the table. Getting out our dough. And really getting this covered with olive oil. Now we're going to get our baking tray. Now we're also going to be putting olive oil in the bottom of that. Now you can put paper in this if you want to, but this is a brand new tray, so I'm just using that as it is. Do make sure the olive oil is all the way around. Now we're going to make this dough fit that tray. Just keep plenty of olive oil all over it. And then we're going to put the dough into the tray. Also get your fingers in and give it a good prod down. This is the whole point of Focaccia. It makes it look the best. And then just cover it with olive oil. And also the rest of the onions you got left over. Now we'll put that into our prover. And we're now going to be proving this up for around about, give or take, an hour. So it's sort of almost doubled its size. Now our proving temperature for this is around about 30 to 35 Celsius. It's now time to put your oven on. Your oven temperature wants to be 210 to 220 Celsius, and that's fan assisted. Our Focaccia is almost ready. So what we need to be doing now is gently pushing our fingers down into it. It's to give that sort of nice look. Just gently push them down. That's it. Prod, prod, prod. And if you want to, you can add more olive oil over the top of this as well. It adds to the flavour, because this is the whole point of Focaccia. And now I'll let the old boy tell you about the baking situation. Right, we're now ready to bake the Focaccia. We're now going to pop them straight into the oven. I have actually put a tray in the oven with water in. So the temperature wants to be about 425 Fahrenheit. And that, with the water in there, it's going to keep it like moist. And you're going to bake these for around 30 minutes. So you heard what he said. He said to add a tray of water into the oven. This just makes that little bit of steam to keep it from drying out. Though he said 30 minutes, I would say 25 to 30 minutes, give or take. Just keep an eye on it until it's nice and golden brown. Looks as though our Focaccia is ready. Just look at that. That is really beautiful, isn't it? And once it comes out, just wash it over with olive oil again. It just makes it. And that tastes absolutely beautiful. It was as simple as that. And don't forget to check the description for your recipe. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!